I made another bowl.
Face your food.
Tell me you're molding your. Chicken is ready.
No.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video, guys. It's just going to be a very short vlog, and it's going to be a cooking vlog. Today has been somehow hectic. I've just returned from Boots. I went for eye test, and from there I went to Brewing Market at City Center. But back to Boots now. Back to the house now. I bought a few things. I saw this goat's foot. I wanted to eat goat's meat, right? But goat's meat is 10 pounds per kg. And I said, well, it's just the flavor last. And I bought the foot, and I want to use it to make okra soup. Just a very quick soup, nothing serious for the house, right? I finished prepping all the ingredients, and I want you guys to just cook this meal with me. The house is empty. There is no food in the house at all, and the kids will soon be home. So I would have shown you guys when I was doing the prepping, but I have no time, and I just decided to prep off camera and then start cooking. I think it's better for me to just be cooking while I gist with you guys. You know, stay with me, don't go away. Let's just start cooking, okay? Guys, these are some of the ingredients that I have. This is okra. I just use this blender to crush it sharp. So these are the protein. You can see I have the cow foot. Not cow foot. I have the goat's foot. This is goat foot. This is fresh mackerel, and I've got some shrimp there. Just bits and bob of stuff I have. I got this. This is leftover from the meat I have already, and I just want to add it to the soup because I perceive that this will not really be enough for the quantity of soup. I have oil. You guys, you see this ninja blender is an essential. This food processor just process all these things in seconds. It's an essential for mothers like us who don't really eat takeout and don't have anybody helping. It will just reduce your wahala for you. So I'll be eating basically all of these pots, because I will start with this one. Right. Put this one over there. Let me just leave them here. I'll have use for them last. Alright. I put my oil close to the. Just have to protect my hands a bit. Just put some onion and pepper here. I really have to multitask in a few minutes. Right now, food has to be ready in like the soup has to be ready in like an hour. So this is how I partition my chicken from the wholesale market.
Just keep running until you discover it. Yeah, you'll be amazed at how far we can go. So what are we waiting for? I know I got
What do you want now? See, it's warm. So what do you want me to do? No, tell me, what do you want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do. I should add hot water?
Yeah.
Tasteless now. You've been adding hot water. It has no taste anymore. I know that it's the taste that you're complaining about. But I know that it's the taste that is the problem. Is it hot now? Okay. It's boring, right? Of course, it will be boring. You will be pouring water to it. It will be boring. I agree.
No.
This meat is still a bit strong, but I don't have time. And for the chicken, once this chicken is ready too, the rice is also ready. Yes, baby. Okay, so you have the one you will use tomorrow, okay? Not again, man. Lamb foot, I mean the goat foot. It's actually a very strong meat from what I've seen. This is the first time I'm cooking it. So it's actually a very strong meat. So I would recommend if you're cooking with it, like cook it very well. Maybe with pressure cooker or something. Because it's taking a lot of time. And I don't have the time to allow it to cook the way it wants to cook. It's already in my pot. I've gotten the goat meat flavor that I want, which is actually the most important thing. So I've added my other meat that I have already in the fridge that is cooked. So I'll just allow this to cook for a few more minutes, and I'll wrap up this soup. Wrap it up sharp.
You guys should go inside. Okay, yeah, no one.
Yeah, food will soon be ready, guys. Okay.
Don't get that. Huh?
Well,
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way.
chicken, Abby, is in the oven cooking. Fish comes to Korana. So I'll just put this fish and cook it for a while. You know that mackerel doesn't cook for long. So I'm putting this blended onions. Blended onions is my go-to. Like that soup when no one sweet. Just put blended onions inside it. Anything I'm cooking, I put blended onions. Anything at all, any soup at all, anything I'm cooking.
This is just want to drink my coke.
Sorry, he just wants to drink your coke.
Oh my god.
Oh my
God. I told you not to go.
trust man? Nah. They know they trust man. Rice and beans and gari, right? I thought I have blended crayfish. Apparently, I don't. So I'll just add this blended fish, bala fish for crayfish because I don't have the area to start blending crayfish. What quantity? That's all the food, but first I'll pour in this okra water because I want to use this food. It is well. Guys, at this point this soup is almost ready, so testing for anything. It's okay. So I usually put my okra in batches. I would get some blended and then put the big ones. But my sister, this is abroad and this is 3 pounds okra. So I don't have the luxury to add plenty okra. I would have loved to add more okra, but this is what I have. So this soup, it tastes very nice, very flavorful. Soup is ready. So I'm putting back my final okra now. Final okra. Then I'll put my vegetables. I have some utazi and uziza leaf, fried one. And then I'll put this fish back in. I'm very careful so that the head doesn't scatter. So I'll take the head out. I don't want the head to scatter, and then there'll be so much bone.
Yeah.
So this is ready. I'll put this aside. I'm going to still leave the red oil here because I have other things that I'll put beans as well. My husband said I should put beans in since I'm here already, which I don't mind it. So the rice is the next thing now.
Now yesterday, what about
And I was so angry.
Trust me, Vico, let's have money.
no GT?
What is in my hand? Come here.
I want it to be aqua soup.
Yes, it's okra soup, red okra soup.
Okay, and I can hold two.
You can help too, yeah? Jasmine, do you want to help?
Is this good? No, I want to do all of
No,
them.
no, you can't carry three at the same time. Jasmine can carry one. Jasmine, take. Okay? Go, 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 go.
It's which one? Who is the green one?
You can have any one.
I want soup.
Go out. Let me put the soup. Let me put the soup.
Can I do the soup? What will teamwork?
Teamwork, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chad will set up the table and I get into it.
Thank you.
Chad will.
Careful, please, so you don't pour it away. Careful. Thank you, Jeremy, for being so helpful.
Face your food.
Jeremy, you're molding your gari. Oh, yeah, eat now. The okra soup is really nice. It's your favorite, yeah?
Yeah. Well, it does. Why is it red?
Because I used red oil.
Red oil?
That's what is used to cook okra soup.
You use red oil.
Jasmine, are you enjoying your okra soup, darling?
Yeah. Because red oil.
Alright, that's fine. Eat up, okay?
I love. Dad, I made another bowl.
Yeah, you made a ball, I can see.
No, I made another
Jason, I think you
bowl.
should bring your food closer to you. Jeremy, bring your own closer to you like this.
Mommy, look. I bring mine.
Alright, eat.
Look. That is it. So delicious.
So delicious.
Mommy,
Yes.
are you take a picture of us?
Yes.
Ooh, look, I made a bowl.
Yes. Show me how you eat your bowl.
Okay. I will show you. Can you show?
Good girl. Let me leave you to eat now, okay? Guys, chicken is ready. Just the way I like it. Guys, this is everything that I made today. I finished a while ago. I just allowed it to cool off. This is chicken. I usually put chicken in Ziploc bags. I have about 6 bowls of rice that will finish in 2 days. I have beans and the leftover gari and then some soup. So guys, meal prep is done. You guys, I'm so tired. I'm completely knackered and exhausted. Please watch my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave your comments. Anything you can do to support me, please just help me out, okay? Thank you so much. Bye, guys.